Hello and welcome to a new training of Momentum Team. My name is Jose Rexirena. I've been in this business for 6 years. After 6 years, I continue growing my business in all United States, and I record this training for you to learn what is working for me. Today, I'm here with my business partner, Neslin. Neslin, how are you?
I'm doing really good. How are you doing, Jose?
I'm doing great. I'm doing great. Very happy with all the results that we're having. Congratulations for you. Amazing day yesterday. $7,000 in a day. That
Yes,
means that this is a real business with real people and real money.
yes, indeed.
Awesome, awesome. Then, Nestle, I want to talk today because we are in 2024 and we have new agents that are watching our videos, and today I want to talk with you how we can help to an agent to have success in 2024. What recommendations we can share with that agent that is new, that in this moment uh, feel lost with a lot of information, overwhelmed with the information of the products, the carriers. Mainly, if you are a broker and you have 30 companies with uh, 20 products each company, and now you are trying to learn everything, and you have the onboarding process, the anti-money laundering, the leads, and everything. Let's
Yeah,
help that agent to have success in this year. In your case, what is the first recommendation for a new agent?
man. So, I mean, I have a lot of I have some new agents on my team, and their biggest issue right now is you know, like sticking with the structure that was developed for them. They're coming from a 9 to 5, and they're coming in with the mentality that everything is gonna be put in place for them so that, they can get success, man. It's a little frustrating sometimes, honestly, because you create a system, you have a system that works, right? But in order for them to implement the system for it to work for them, they tend to lean on you. They lean on you like they would lean on their employer, right? As though you're their boss, when I'm not. We're in a partnership.
Mm.
So, new agents coming in, what I would say is if you're coming in with the mindset that this is something that's easy peasy lemon squeezy, nope, don't do that. You're going to disappoint yourself, and you're going to disappoint the person who introduced you to the opportunity. Come in
Yeah.
with structure, come in with realistic ideas.
Mm-hmm.
If you want
Mm-hmm.
someone for support, like we said, get a mentor, have someone that you can look up to, like myself, my agents, I welcome them to come to me. But when it comes to the point of actually getting things done, you're gonna have to put that into place yourself.
Oh
For
yeah,
sure.
yeah.
You got to put
I
the
think
action.
I think that the first step for a new agent is find a company that have the structure to have results. Let me explain you this. I know that in this moment there's a lot of information in social media that is not real. Okay, are the fancy cars, the private jet, the mansion, everything. However, yeah, you can have that. Okay, but you have to work. You need a structure in
Mhm.
this business. If you are an agent, the only way that you're gonna make money is that you be in front of people, protects family, the application is approved, and the cat is gonna pay you. Okay? You will not make any money if you are all day in activities of networking, if you are all day taking training, okay? Because the people that are having success in this business, the only thing that they do is that they are in front of the people every day,
Mhm.
talking to people. That's it. Then my advice for a new agent is keep it simple.
Mhm.
Keep it simple. Don't try to learn all the products. You don't need that. We have a software, insurance toolkits.
Exactly.
You type the medications and the system will tell you the company and the products.
Yeah.
But you have to be a master booking appointments. You need to be a master talking to people, managing objections. Okay.
Mhm.
Then I agree with you when you say that some people think that this that they're employees, and they have to wait for a magical solution. That's not this business. Yeah, we are making a lot of money. That's the reality. We are making a lot of money, and you can make in 20 minutes, you can make 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Okay. However, you need to think that this is a business. Okay. Imagine that you have a restaurant. Okay. If you have a restaurant, you need to buy every week the food. You need to invest money for marketing, because if nobody knows you, nobody go to your restaurant. And here is the same. You need to invest in marketing. You need to find that people know that you are active in this business. What do you think about that?
Jose, you're speaking volumes here now. You know, for me, the way I can really have people understand this is your employer. Just think of your business as your employer's business. How does it work? If you don't think they have people marketing, if you don't think they have a team that provides those services, every single part of a business have parts. There are segments to the business that make it work. There's the marketing, there's the face-to-face contact with certain people, there's meeting with clients and other
Sales.
business partners, there's networking. They all come with parts. You don't want to have the mindset that you're going to come into this business where it's a big money making business, right? With no effort at all to put into it, no structure. It's not going to work. People
No.
are not, new agents coming in are not as, they're not, some of them don't think realistically. So if you're not coming in with a realistic mindset, then you're going to be very surprised that it's not going to work for you. Sure, you're going to get a sale. Maybe you make $1,000 in one day. You're going to get a sale. Sure. Maybe you sell to your mother or your sister or
Yep,
your
yep.
family member. But if you want consistent growth, you need to put a structure in place that's going to work for your business.
Mm-hmm.
You can go
Mm-hmm.
to your business partners and look for support for guidance, sure, but also you need to implement it so that it works for your business. This is not something that is child's play. You need to put in
Yeah.
the work.
Yes, yes. And the way that you and me are we're working the new agents is that if you are watching this video, it's important that you be in a good company. And a good company is not a company that is in social media uh, with pictures of the private jet. No, a good company is a company that give you structure. Number one, you need an onboarding process. Okay, a system where you can get your contracts in maximum 7 days. In 7 days, you have to be ready, and that period of 7 days is the period to one to talk to your upline, to design a game plan. What is a game plan? A game plan is that we talk about your goals and expectations. Okay? You tell me, hey, Jose, I want to make $10,000 per week. Perfect. I know how you can make $10,000 per week. To make $10,000 per week, okay, you need to have at least 30 appointments. You need to invest at least $1,000 in leads. You need to dial at least, I don't know, 500 dials per day. Okay. And maybe you tell me, hey, it's difficult. Yes, it's difficult. Yeah. Maybe it's not for you in this moment. Let's start with 3,000 goals and expectations. Okay. Then for 2,000, you need to invest this amount of money on leads, this amount of time in your business. Oh, Jose, but I don't have money for leads. Okay. I ask, do you think that you can have the money for leads in the next 2 weeks? Yeah. Okay, perfect. Let's focus on the plan. Or you say, Jose is so difficult. Okay, perfect. This is my recommendation. If you don't have money for leads, we have a video that give you some recommendations. One recommendation is that that this works. You can go to Starbucks, for example, and find that area where you will find that people put the business cards and start calling. all that people. You can find lawyers, you can find accountants, you can find realtors, and offer your service, and guaranteed that you're gonna close sale. But you need to have massive activity. You can't waste 6 months training, 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 because you will be broke. You need to make money in the first 30 days. If Nestle and me, we don't help you to make money in the first 30 days, you're gonna find other thing, other way to make money. You agree with me?
Oh yeah, 100%.
Yeah, because people need to make money.
Of
Okay,
course.
it's not fair that you have an agent for 3, 4, 6, 5 months training, 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 training. Why? My question is why people need to suffer or be struggling for 6 months when the only thing that you have to do is that if you have the contracts and you don't have money for leads, go to Starbucks, talk to people, door knock, find a way
Mm.
to be in front of the people.
You got to go back to the basics. You
Back
don't
to the
have to think.
basics.
You got to go back to the basics, and you
Yes.
got to be intentional about it. Create a schedule. Get it done. Okay, I'm going to door knock. I'm going to go to a building and door knock 100 homes. Guess what? Out of the 100 homes, some people are not going to
Two,
answer.
three.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So if you were to really think about it, it's all about the numbers. You have to really go in there and put your mindset into gear where you're gonna do it. Knock 100 doors. Understand that some people are not going to answer. Some people are going to answer and they're going to say no, thank you. And some people are going to invite you in their home and sit down with you and go through the whole application and still say, okay, I'll have to think about it. And then
Yeah.
some people are going to invite you in their home and say, yes, I want this. But guess what? One application could
One
cover your
application.
week.
Yeah.
One
Yeah.
application is average $1,000 in one day.
In
You
one
have to put
day.
in the work.
Yes, that means that if you have the real intention, Nestle, and you have a schedule, you say, you know what, in this moment I don't have money for leads, I don't have money to invest my in marketing. However, I have good contracts, I have a good system where I can submit applications. I have an upline that is for me. Let me go to the field, okay? Let me start door knocking. Let me go to Starbucks. And my goal is that I will not stop today until I submit one application.
Yeah, you said something, Jose. You can go to your upline. I think it's really essential for agents to have an upline that's been through it, that's done the nitty-gritty, that's been door knocking, cold calling, all of the basic stuff so they can at least gear you in the right direction, support you in a way that no other person can because you haven't really been through it. You can only talk about it. A secondary experience is just not the same. So it's really important to have someone who can support you, who have been through it. Jose have done it. You've gone through the door knocking 100 hours a week to get to
Yeah.
it, to get to financially because you have a goal. I have been through it, the door knocking and the cold
Hmm.
calling. Come on, man. You have to put yourself in a position for success. So
Yeah. You
definitely.
have to focus in the results that you can have.
Mhm.
I don't know other business where if you focus, okay, and you say, today I want to submit one application of $100. It's something that is not difficult because today I want to make $1,000. Hey, Neslin, if you work 5 days a week hard like
Mm.
this, you can make $5,000 in a week. Now you will have the capital to reinvest in your business, and you can buy leads. Then you will make money, and you're gonna buy more leads and have more activity. But everything start with activity. Then if you are an agent, please, please don't be all day in training. Training, 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 training. No. I will give you a training that you need in 30 seconds. Okay? There are two kind of policies: term and whole life. Term, start today, ends one day. Whole life is forever. When the person passes away, if the policy is active, the beneficiary will receive money. That's it. That's the training.
A lot of people think they need 100% product knowledge. It's just not the case. You need to know the basic stuff. You need to know a couple of riders and stuff that you can add to butter up someone's application to really help your client out. But you do not need, you don't need to have 100% of knowledge of the product. You just need to know the basics as an agent because the carriers, the companies, they already have that stuff in place. You
Yeah.
don't need that kind of security. It's already there for you. It's
No,
all about your
you
drive at this
yeah.
point.
You don't need to be a product specialist.
Mhm.
No, we have when I started in this industry in 2017, yeah, I have a book with all the medications, but now it's easier. From your cell phone, go to Insurance Toolkit, type the medications, and you will have the product that qualify. Okay, and your job is only have two activity. Then, Neslin, if someone wants to talk to you, wants to be part of your team, can you share with you your social media?
Yes, yes, yes. Reach out to me. You can text me. First of all, on my business line, it is 832-819-0239. Or you can hit me up on social media. My name is Neslin Matthew. It's just as it's displayed on the screen. And you can find me on Facebook. From Facebook, you can add my professional business page, which is Neskia Life and Health. And Instagram is Neslin, which is with underscore after every letter, N underscore E underscore S underscore L underscore Y underscore N. And yeah, we can connect in that way. Reach out to me, reach out to Jose. Jose, what is
Yeah,
your
my
social
my
media?
my cell phone is 407-346-5507. You can call me if I'm in a meeting. Please send me a text. If you are watching this video, and you want to work with a good leader, I recommend Neslin. Let me give you an example of Neslin. Neslin is a top producer. She is a single mom, okay? And yesterday she submitted almost $8,000. That means that there's no reason that you can't have massive activity and have results. And Neslin, she's leading with example. In my case, I would not ask you never something that I never did before. I know what is dial 500 dials a day, have 30 appointments, 8 no show in a day. I know that, but I can give you some recommendations to have results. That's our job. Our job is sell and inspire. That's all. Sell and inspire. And today, in the 2024, we're in January, okay? If you want to make a big change in your career, okay, this is an amazing opportunity. Why? Because now we have the opportunity that you can sell in all United States from your home with a computer, and everything everything will be approved. Then, Neslin, before finish our training of today, some recommendation for the new agents.
Well, here's what I would say. You want to come into the business, you want success, you want it to work for you. Find a strong partner, someone, I mean, we call them uplines, right? I think logically, but find someone who can support you. What are you calling your mentor? Sure. Come into the business with a mindset that is not employee minded. If you do that, I promise you, you will put a lot of strain on that person who is supposed to be supporting you because they have multiple people to support. Come in with the state of mind for structure, for coachability. You need to be coachable. If you're not, it's going to be a strain on your upline and you're going to, they're not going to be in their best self to support you.
Mhm.
Come into the business with mind that it is a business. You have to approach it as a business. It is your business. You have to retain and keep the responsibility that it is your business. Don't lean too much on people to a place where you tip them over, metaphorically speaking. Um, Come in with the best intention. Write down your plans, speak to your upline and get things going, create a game plan for yourself and follow it. You have to trust your upline who have been through it. We're going to guide you in the right direction, but we're not going to hold your hand. Okay.
Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah.
We're going to
And
hold
and,
your
and to
hand.
finish this training, be careful if you are in a team, in a company that tells you that everything will be easy, that you will be only working 2 hours per week, per day, and you will be millionaire. Be careful if you are in a company that everything is mansions, luxury cars, but nobody teach you how to make money.
Mm.
Be careful if you are in a company that is recruit, 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 but now nobody tells you how you can make money. Okay, because this is a business that is very simple. Okay, the only thing you have to do is sell and inspire. Okay, well, if you like this training, click here, share, because we want to share this information with all the agents that are looking for opportunity, and continue watching our videos. I recommend to subscribe in my channel Momentum Team, and see you in the next training. Bye bye.